Moroccanoil Blonde Voyage Cream Lightener is a high-performing, ultra-conditioning formula that is ideal for clients with delicate or damaged hair. It provides up to 8 levels of controlled and reliable lift while helping nourish and maintain the strength of your client's hair, delivering radiant blonde results. Powered by our proprietary Bond Care and Argan ID system, Blonde Voyage Cream Lightener helps protect bonds, reduce breakage, and maintain the integrity of hair during the lightening process. Wear suitable gloves in a non-metallic bowl. Mix Blonde Voyage Cream Lightener with Moroccanoil Oxidative Cream Developer in a 1:1.5 mixing ratio. The lower the strength of the developer, the slower and milder the lightening process. When applying to the scalp, do not exceed 20 volume. And remember, processing time depends on the condition of the hair and the desired degree of lightening. Check every 5 to 10 minutes during processing. Do not exceed 50 minutes and do not use heats. Follow with Moroccanoil Color Care Shampoo and Conditioner.